Scrolling through a sea of faces, real life dreams in empty places. Everyone's connected but feeling alone, typing out feelings I should've shown. We're offline hearts in a digital storm, searching for warmth in electric forms. Your name's aglow, but you're miles away. Can love exist where pixels stay? Every scene cuts deep like silence. Every post hides quiet defiance. We smile in frames but cry in sleep. We've gone too far, the net runs deep. We're offline hearts in a digital storm, searching for warmth in electric forms. Your name's aglow, but you're miles away. Can love exist where pixels stay? Log out, just breathe, let the world restart. Look up, not down, find a beating heart. The signal fades, but I still believe real love's something we can't retrieve. Offline hearts, let's come alive. Beyond the screen, where dreams survive. No Wi-Fi needed for love to stay. Just two offline hearts find